everyone, it's Chris. I'm just, I know I've been talking about it or mentioning it in the comments of Eileen's videos recently about creating a suspension file for the treasure box. So it's for the treasure box die, which is this one, which is the Sizzix Die, number 663634. Okay. I get offcuts from a framing place for mat board, so I get some colours. So I've got blue on one side. I wanted that to be the inside because I wanted the inside of the box to be dark. And on the outside, I've got a silver foil. I don't know if you can actually see the texture on that. It's kind of got lines on it that go that way because I wanted the box to look a little bit metallic. Okay, this one doesn't have a lid. It's just a file box. It doesn't have a lid. So here's the box completed. That's it. And then we have the suspension file, which goes in it like this, and it hangs there, and it can move. And you can probably put about between 4 and 6, and still have room for whatever you want to put inside the files. Ephemera, collector cards, lots of uses for them. I'm thinking of making some of these for my grandson. He collects Pokemon cards, so you can actually sort them out. I'm also going to do another one where it's that way, so they'll fit in that way as well, and the cards can stand upright. So that's what I've done so far. It moves quite easily. It took a long while to work out what I was going to use here. I ended up using mat board. It's really hard to cut the mat board and the little edges out without loosening the strength and ruining the strength of the cut, so that it'll actually stay in there. So it took a long while to work out how to do that. If it's any wider than that, this ends up breaking off because it's just not strong enough. So you can't go higher than that. You can't go wider than that. It might be good if Eileen makes a die where it's a little bit narrower than that, and it'll be really strong because it'll be all in one die cut. That'll be cool. She could put lots of other things on there too, like lots of other things like that we need. One that size, one that size. Oh, a whole lot of these just to fit all the different boxes. Maybe, I don't know. Just an idea, Eileen. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to do a tutorial within the next couple of weeks to show you how I made it and how you can make it yourself. And yeah, so really good for ephemera or things like that. Have on your desk, you know, hang it around. See if you can see inside. It's got about I think that's about a ½ inch. I'm used to working with centimeters, people. It's, you know, yeah, it's a ½ inch. The bottom opening there, that's a ½ inch. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, so just thought I'd show you what it looks like. I'm really happy with it. You know, it moves freely, so it's not going to get stuck. I'm just really, really happy with it. Yeah, I'll do a tutorial within the next couple of weeks and put it up so you know how to make it, okay? And I'll try and include measurements in the tutorial because I know I haven't got any measurements here. So yeah, I'll do that as well. It took quite a while to work out the suspension bars were the longest thing it took, yeah. So thanks everyone. Have a great night. Bye.